mud, rain, snow, sand, sleet, chicken, steak, chicken fried steak. What do these all have in common? Well, they each make your car's floor mats really, really dirty. But JoyTutus thinks they have the solution to your problems with their all-new weather-resistant TPE floor mats. Today, let's put them to the test and see how well they work. So JoyTutus makes floor mats for other makes and models. You can click the link in the description down below to check and see if they have one that fits your specific car. But the one we're testing out today fits the 10th gen Honda Civic only. That is model years 2016 through 2020. These things are made out of TPE. They're very easy to clean, which I'll demonstrate in a little bit. They're weather resistant, they're non-slippery, they're odorless, and completely safe to use inside your car. So now let's put them inside and see how they look. So installing the driver's seat floor mat is the most difficult one, and that's not even that hard. Let me show you how to do it. So first, you see two little prong fasteners in the floor mat. Basically what you do is you want to twist them. They hold the factory floor mats to the floorboards. You take them off like this, and you take them off like that after twisting them off. Then you just remove the factory floor mat. Put that down and take your JoyTutus floor mat, slide it into place like so. Make sure that you don't get it over the accelerator and brake, and make sure it fits snugly. One tip is to move the seat all the way back, because then you can really fit the floor mat in properly. Then you want to make sure each of the fasteners are lined up with the holes on the floor mat and twist them into place like so. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the driver's seat floor mat. It's that easy. So now let's move on to the passenger side. So installing the passenger seat is even easier than installing the driver's side, because there are no fasteners that you have to untwist. So all you do is remove your factory floor mat, take your JoyTutus floor mat, and shove it in the footwell like so. And make sure it fits properly like this. And it fits snugly against the seat, and there you have it. So installing the rear seats are also very easy, but they are connected, so you have to install them at the same time. So after taking out your factory floor mats, just throw them in the back like this and line them up with each seat like so. Make sure they're properly lined up and they snug over right here, the transmission tunnel, and boom, there you have it. Because these are TPE, they are very easy to clean, which I will now demonstrate. Inside this mug I have some good old coffee, and I'm gonna pour it on here to simulate a spill in the morning trying to rush to work. So here we go. Oh no, look at this. Oh no, oh, this is a really bad spill. Oh, I spilled coffee all over. Let's slosh it around, and then, yeah, here we go. Gross. Isn't that disgusting? Well, look, as you can see right now, it's already beating up, and it hasn't absorbed into the floor mats like it would with the factory carpet floor mats. But when you're done, never fear. All you gotta do is take a hose and hose this bad boy down like so, and there you go. Clean. So after hosing this bad boy down thoroughly, all that coffee is gone. All you gotta do is let it dry in the sun or with a towel and throw it back in your car, and you're good to go. So guys, quick update. We've let this thing dry in the sun for about 15 minutes. We did not use a towel at all. And as you can see, there is no sign of coffee. There are no streaks. It looks basically good as new. So now we just have to put it back inside the car and we are good to go. So what's the verdict on the JoyTutus all-weather floor mats? Well, for $119, I think they are a pretty good value, considering the fact that if you were to buy OEM floor mats from the dealership, you'd probably pay a lot more money. They're easy to clean, they're weather resistant, they're easy to install, and they make the car's interior look a little bit more rugged. Well guys, I'd like to give a huge shout out to JoyTutus for sending me a set of all-weather floor mats to review. If you're interested in picking one of these up, hit the link in the description down below and enter the code CarVisionLA at checkout for 15% off your order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow follow me at CarVisionLA for more car reviews, culture, and comedy. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.